First fish of the day.
We got one coming in here. Looks like about a 15-pounder.
Free boat, getting ready to go out fishing for the day. What are we doing?
Got a big shark.
We're gonna go big. Okay, the Adventures of a Free Boat. We just went and got a bunch of saltwater fishing poles because ours are really little.
We got like 15-foot fishing poles.
Yeah. This is just way too big, but hey.
We zip tie them all together. We do one massive.
So we don't really know what we're doing down here at the bay, but it's gonna be a lot of fun. Stayed in the water quite fine overnight. Didn't take on any water at all. So the bellows, are sealed up tight. So that's a beautiful thing. We're gonna give her a good try out today. Here we go. We are heading out. What do you guys think?
Get some fish.
I sure hope so.
Hopefully fish and not auto parts.
What was that right there?
Catch a rotor in the ocean.
No, I said hopefully we get fish and not have to go to auto parts stores.
Yes. That I agree. We're gonna find out. Hopefully not. What do you think down there, David?
I'm getting this ready.
Oh.
I'm gonna be the first one that can put my line in instead of you guys. This is crazy.
We'll hold the string and fish. That'd be hilarious.
There we are. We're heading out the channel. Gonna go fishing. This is absolutely amazing. This is Ocean Pines, Maryland. We're having an Airbnb down here for the week. That costs significantly more than a free boat, just saying. We have all the parts, the title transfer, everything into this boat. We're figuring out we have about $600. So that's not bad.
One here and one right over there.
We have been running through really shallow water. It's looking pretty good right here, but we were just cruising through on top of the water and just churning up mud, and we knew we couldn't slow down and we'd get stuck. It was pretty bad. So I think we found the channel now. We went the wrong side of the channel for a while. Totally unfamiliar, which is probably not good. So guys, don't take our advice. We like adventure. If you don't follow us. And we are fishing. We're gonna see if we can catch anything.
Okay, ready? Oops, here we go.
Let's see if Ben can cast.
Well,
I don't know where it went, but
That went out that way.
we're honestly gonna want to get closer.
okay, tell me the status, Ben.
First fish of the day.
We got one coming in here. Looks like about a 15-pounder. Aye.
On a bait caster. It's probably about a
Don't let it
six.
get. Oh, look at that! Look at that! Look at that!
Oh, what is it?
What is it?
It's a big
It's a
one.
fish.
Yeah.
Dad, you're
Here, Dad. Here. Oh, it's a blue.
That's bluey.
That's beautiful.
Ah, this thing is. I'm gonna make sure I don't grab it. Get it here.
Bring it in closer. Oh no!
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right in the boat. There we go.
What do we got?
Bluey.
A bluey?
Yeah, like that.
Just a bluefish. Sweet. Get the fish. Don't let him flop around on the boat.
Why not?
Because I don't want him to jump out. Okay, well, we're kind of at this edge of this thing here. This pier, dock thing. Not sure if we're supposed to be here. No, I think it's okay. ran to get some butter so we can fry our fish. We didn't bring any butter, but we did bring a frying pan and everything. So that's pretty awesome. The current, you can see the current flowing through under that bridge is absolutely insane. It's amazing.
What the word? Look at that.
Well, we decided to send it through the inlet.
Yeah, that is where the,
It's a little choppy over there, but
I doubt they can even hear you on the video.
we did pretty good. We just came through all that. Woo! This boat is handling.
Like sideways in the waves now. Yeah, we are. On the
Yeah, but there's a sandbar over there. I can't go that way.
No, I don't think so. There's a big boat coming over here. Look at this.
That's true.
I don't know.
Sideways is the way.
We need to turn this thing. And we should speed it up actually, not?
Probably.
To actually get out of the water. Here, should I go up a little bit?
Okay, this may be slightly crazy. We are in the ocean. I'm not sure how far maybe it's still very rough. But the boat's doing great. It's actually handling these waves amazing. I think we're crazy. I'm fairly certain we're crazy. So here's the status. What's the status, Arthur?
We're just sitting out here.
We're fishing. What's the status? We're fishing. We're gonna clean another fish. That fishy looks dead.
He did. He's on ice. We're actually gonna cook him up.
Fish on ice.
Arthur walked to a Dollar General. He didn't walk on water though. He's not quite as good as Jesus. We had to drop him off at a boat launch, and he walked to a Dollar General to get some butter. And we have our stove here and everything. But we are currently in the ocean. Shore is over there, and it's a little rough. We're getting tossed around pretty good. I think we'll be all right for cleaning and cooking fish.
Whoa, 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 whoa!
David gets a little jumpy.
There's a big one.
You get tossed around a little.
I'm like sitting on here, buddy.
Now we are frying up some fish in the free boat. You can see the butter's moving around pretty good. That's because this whole boat's rocking.
It is.
Because we are in the middle of the waves here, out in the ocean, doing well. Got the alcohol stove lit, frying fish. And we got fish.
It wasn't a complete bust.
No? What do you think, Arthur?
That's gonna help your seasickness, Davey. It's really
Yeah.
good.
That's true.
Really good.
That's
How you feeling up there, David?
actually I'm feeling a little better. If I just look up, like, out. Oh man.
He's getting a little queasy.
No, queasy. Queasy.
He doesn't want to eat our fish. He tried a little bit though.
I tried. Thing is, if I have some food now, and then I get sick, might not be good. No, thank you.
Hey David, what you doing up there?
I'm taking a ride. Oh.
Are you sure that's a balloon?
He's getting the anchor in.
We're heading for this balloon here.
We're trying to, there's a balloon or something in the water we're gonna go get while David's getting the anchor in.
Well, maybe you'll just catch it with your
Like
fish.
no wake speed.
Pop up the
Whoa!
Wow.
Hey, somebody had a party out here.
Right there.
There's dolphins back there. I don't know if you can see them.
Yeah, they're following us.
Yeah, they're out there. Dolphins.
Wouldn't that be weird to be fishing? It's only big.
Got the guys here trying to get the anchor up with a bunch of seaweed.
What do we catch? We got a lot of things. We got a bunch of hot the dog.
Oh my word.
What did we get?
Is it?
Oh, Susan! No, you shouldn't have done that.
It was too heavy. It was some chunk of metal. Look at that beauty boat. We got a beautifully big boat right there. I mean, we're almost as nice here with our free boat, right?
We're about the same size.
Not quite as nice. There, I see sandbars up here. We got to get around. So the bay is challenging. I'll tell you that. If you don't know where you're going, I wouldn't advise it. We just go nice and slow through here because so many sandbars. All right. Well, we had a great day out in the bay. We did only catch one fish, cooked it and ate it. It was delicious, even though David thought it was, he was getting a little queasy out in the ocean because it was a little on the rough side.
It was pretty bad.
But thank you for coming along for the day. Catch you next time. Well, folks, we thought we were done.
Catch a fish.
What's the status, folks?
We're stopped. We were at a ground.
Yeah, we
About 1.5 water here.
we hit a sandbar.
Yeah,
So-
violently.
So we're fishing.
So we're back at it again. This is fascinating. I'm not sure if we'll have to wait till high tide. We'll keep you kind of posted as to what we're gonna do because we were
All right. Well,
full speed ahead when we
I
hit
guess I'll
sand.
hop in the water.
All right, getting off the sandbar here. We're chucking the anchor out front, holding us.
Awesome.
Not sure how else to do it.
I mean, Ben, you could get in and then push. That would also probably help.
So this is what I'm doing. We're chucking the anchor as far as we can.
That's gonna be exhausting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
It
then,
might be easier just to push, Ben.
then I pull it off the sandbar. Just slowly. David's fishing still.
Yeah.
You know, there's some birds around here, so you never know.
Oh my goodness.
This is stupid.
You guys look absolutely ridiculous. We're moving though. No, we're not.
More. Oh shit. You know what? I have these. I don't know if I really want to get them wet.
Yeah. Drop
Can you put this on the top, like in the inside? On the...
Let's see if we can swap him.
All right, we are moving again.
For that one, let's keep moving.
We're moving. Keep pushing.
Okay, we're.
Oh, that's another. Oh,
We got.
They're pushing back there.
That is pulling with the anchor up there.
Thanks.
Okay, well, we're kind of moving again. We have Ben up on the front trying to get the prop out of the water a little bit. We got her moving. We were churning mud for a while back
We should
there.
maybe get up there as well. Because this is like. Oh, there we go. You're good.
Yeah.
You're good.
I think we're good.
Yeah, we're good.
I think we're good. We got unstuck.
Oh,
Well, we just got stuck again, and they just pushed us back off again.
Guess what?
And what do you think, David?
Well, it seems like if we actually stay with the channel's good, actually.
That's a good idea.
It's a good idea.
We keep trying to cut across where there is no channel, and what happens then?
Well, we had to push again.
That time we hit pretty hard.
That was hard.
That was hard. That was really hard. We went flying forwards.
I had nothing. I was hanging on to this and whoop.
Yep, I was going forwards.
I was braced and ready.
I was braced too.
Stopping so hard. I didn't know we had brakes this good.